How to make spa reservations in ElektraWeb. In order to create new spa reservation, we should use the Reservation calendar screen found under the Spa module. From this screen, we can see all the reservations made for the specific spa department according to the booked time and related spa employee. With the advanced filtering options found in the upper part of the screen, we can select among different spa departments which we previously defined in the settings. We can also change the time period settings for which we would like to have our reservations displayed. Moreover, we can also decide between the view of the reservations based on spa staff or the spa area in which the desired service are provided. New reservation can be created with a double click on a desired empty cell. A new blank reservation card will be opened. However, there is even more practical method how to do it. By simple mouse click, drag and drop action for the desired time range, new spa reservation card will be automatically displayed. From here, we can select one guest from our hotel guests or from our members list. In case this person is the first-time visitor to our spa facility, with the plus button, we can easily open and fill out new membership record. In the next field, we should select the desired service from the list. If desired, we can also select the place or area where this service will be provided, for example, the specific massage room or fitness area. In case it is needed, second responsible employee can also be selected from here, in addition to setting the specific color for this reservation entry. Finally, after entering the extra note if necessary, we can click on the Save button and new reservation record will be automatically created. With one mouse click on this reservation box, the color of this reservation will be intensified, while with the double click, this reservation with more details will be opened. With the right mouse click on the reservation box, list of operations that can be performed related to it will be displayed. We can select between cancelling reservation or notifying the start and end of the operation. It should be noted here that with each of these status changes, new symbol in the corner of the reservation box will appear. Moreover, we can also take the payment, print check, see the member's history, as well as displayed member's card. Now, let's take another reservation for one guest that is already in the calendar, but this time for different service. If we click on Take Payment button, we can see the charge record for both this specific entry, but also for all the other services they have booked. This time, we will select to pay for this service and proceed to the next payment screen. From this card, it is also possible to define the related discount type and amount and close the payment by selecting the desired payment method. When we go to the guest folio, we will see that the related charge was posted. Finally, when we cancel the related payment and enter the valid reason for this operation, this change will also be registered under the related folio with corresponding description we entered.